You know the saying, those who control shiitake control computing. Huh? Could mushrooms replace microchips? A new study from the Ohio State University finds fungal networks may offer an alternative to metal-based computing components, with mushrooms' resilience making them well-suited for bioelectronics. So how did they actually study this? Researchers connected electrodes to different parts of mushrooms, exploiting their varied electrical properties to produce distinct behaviors. After 2 months, the mushroom-based MIM resistors functioned as RAM, switching up 5,850 signals per second with about 90% accuracy. While performance dropped at higher frequencies, it could be restored by adding more mushrooms to the circuit. Fungi are biodegradable, easy to grow, and offer a lower cost, lower waste alternative to rare earth-dependent, energy-intensive semiconductors. Looks delish. This type of computing isn't just limited to smelly dorms. Researchers suggest it could scale up to full culturing factories, with the mushroom's flexibility enabling larger systems for edge computing and aerospace, and smaller setups for autonomous and wearable technologies. Planes powered by mushrooms would be pretty incredible. And for innovative technology, engineers need reliable parts. So let's check one out in our featured product spotlight, sponsored by Mouser Electronics. Pangent Gen 2 diodes are high-performance ESD protection devices designed for high-speed and sensitive electronics. Their standout features offer ultra-low capacitance, low insertion loss, and low clamping voltages for robust protection. Available in compact DFN and SOT packages, they are ideal for portable electronics and size-constrained interfaces, providing reliable ESD, EFT, and lightning protection. Green molding compound compliant and EU RoHS 2.0 certified, these diodes handle pulse piece currents up to 10 amps. The Pangent Gen 2 ESD protection diodes are widely used in applications such as USB-C, Thunderbolt, HDMI, DisplayPort, antennas, and power supplies. Head over today at Mouser.com to check them out, or click the link below. Well, for those of you who'd rather see mushrooms on a plate than powering computers, this restaurant with its maglev service in China has got you covered. Hey, that's all for me. Be sure to check out our other Spotlight videos, and thanks for tuning in.